Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been having a great day. Today, I have a box from Dooney. Let's get to it. They have been having sales and I have always wanted to try their suede leather bag. So I saw that this one was on sale, so I decided to get it. So it seems Dooney sent me their lookbook or catalog. Interesting. I guess these are some of their new bag maybe. Let's pick the back up. Oh, surprisingly. So surprisingly, Dooney sent me a couple of their stickers this time. I mean, this is the first time I get stickers from them. Dooney stickers are quite popular in the community. Sometimes people trade or even sell them for a good price. This one, I guess, is a tennis ball doggy. It's cute. Well, I hope I will continue to get more stickers from them next time. Now let's look at the back. So this one is called Dooney's Large Sac. It's their suede collection in olive color. I'm liking what I see. I think the suede is really beautiful, really natural, and the color is on point. So apparently this bag came with a couple of Dooney's, I guess Dooney's bag charm. Has some weight to it. This is the front, has their logo, their leather patch, Dooney's leather patch. Front pocket, not a very big one, but enough for my wallet. Let's see. This one came with the shoulder strap, but since it has this D-ring on the side, so I could just put on any crossbody strap I like and use it as a crossbody bag. Also, many of Dooney's bags tend to have this key fob inside, but it's interesting that the color of the hardware is different. I don't understand why they don't use the same color. Everything is in this champagne gold color, but the key fob is in the carbon color. Let's take the stuffing out. Oh, and this one comes with a dust bag. That's great because I could see that suede leather bag definitely could use a dust bag to protect when I don't use it. Let's look at inside of the bag. Inside of the bag, one side it has this at the back, one kind of shallow slip pocket, and then one zipper pocket. Let's see how deep the zipper. Not very deep either. And then on the other side, it has two slip pockets. Probably it's hard to show you because how narrow the opening is. 2 slip pockets, big enough to put your iPhone and such. Let's try out the zipper. Pretty good, right? Sometimes some of you ask about what could fit in the bag, so I thought I would bring a few things to see if I'm able to fit in. This is a regular size iPad that's fit inside, and then this makeup bag from Portland leather could still fit inside, and then medium size water bottle could still fit inside, and then let's fit my Fuji X100V camera, and then this pencil case, small pencil case from Portland leather, also could fit inside. And then now zip it up. Yeah, the size doesn't look very big, but as you can see, it actually does fit a lot. Enough if you just want to go get coffee and do some work at the coffee shop. Definitely enough to carry your bag, your iPad and some stuff. Let's look at the bottom. At the bottom it has this leather strip and then 4 metal feet. I wish the bottom is just with regular leather, because with suede probably will get damaged even easier and faster. So, wow, I'm really impressed with the quality of their suede leather. It's really beautiful. This one is in olive color and it's gorgeous. Looking at this, I would love to get more of their suede leather bag. I think currently they keep doing sales, probably to try to get rid of their overstock or something. The price is quite good right now, so yeah, if you are interested in suede leather bag, I would definitely recommend you check out Dooney's suede leather bag. They have some good one in their collection. Thanks for watching today, and I'll have more review and unboxing videos coming soon. Bye!